Hi Girish, how to make a self-updating RAOG dashboard? I'm not getting the desired result using Pivot.
Pivot is the fastest method to prepare a summary report. However, it may not be the best solution every time. There are two issues in the RAOG dashboard made using Pivot. 1. The dashboard is not in the desired RAOG sequence. Here, required is equal to grand total, but this column cannot be shifted. 2. It is not self-updating. Every time the status is changed, it must be refreshed manually. So, let us make a self-updating dashboard in which you can put information in your desired sequence. For this, we will use COUNTIF and COUNTIFS function. Both these functions are used to count a value if the given conditions are met. First, we will make the blank structure of dashboard. Now, to find out the required count at each JC, we will do COUNTIF, then select the JC name column and specify the condition. In human language, this formula means, count the number of cells if it contains the given JC name. To find the available, we will use COUNTIFS function because we need to specify two conditions, name of JC and position status. Call the COUNTIFS function, then select the first column JC name and specify the first condition. Now, select the second column position status and specify the second condition and it is done. Repeat the same steps for offered and gap and voila! Your self-updating RAOG dashboard is ready. It will automatically update as soon as the position status is changed. Happy hiring!